Cool, we're back. I enjoy you so tact. Battle stations. I must have been dropping too much fire. Well, that's one way to get through bearish front shower. Welcome back. I might have broke the charts. Let me know if you noticed any difference in the stream quality or anything. Trying different setting, fix it. Soccer. I got the whole hot bevy buying playlist going. Or 3 bearish lunch hours. So S&P having a bit of a relief. Alright, cool, power huh? It might happen again tomorrow, we'll see. We just gotta get through the storm. Interesting how Tilbury is coming down now when everything else is starting to go up. Okay. We still have no alert. How have no alerts triggered? Wait a second. What? No alerts have triggered today? So they all triggered last week. Okay, thanks everyone. Well, we're live on Twitch right now today, so I think that's part of it. I got a different setting going, whatever. If it keeps happening, I'll fix it. Go back to how it was before last week. I'm gonna give it another shot. I don't give up on things that easily. If you couldn't tell. Bunch of giver-uppers in the world nowadays, if you ask me. Where are the alphas? Where are the alpha males at? There are none left. Bunch of pansies. GameStop alert. No alerts anywhere. I have tight alerts set. That doesn't take an awful lot to trigger the alerts. Yeah. Well, the alpha males are here in the chat. I just mean in the world. People want things too easy and then they don't get it easy and they give up. Bunch of giver-uppers. Yeah, feel me? They probably already gave up on Tilbury because it went red for an hour. They probably FOMO'd Tilbury first thing in the morning and then panic sold it 30 minutes later. Bunch of giver-uppers. Giving up with all their favorite meme stocks just because they're red on their portfolio. Pathetic. If you really are bullish on a company, you don't let that stop you. Did that stop us on Lucid? No. We're bullish on CCIV on Lucid. Did a little bit of red stop us? Hell no. That gave us the good entries. Down here. That didn't scare us. Oh, maybe a little. But that didn't change any of our long-term bullish fundamentals. So it didn't change our plan. It didn't change our strategy. We just happened to get a nice entry on it that day. I I got a bunch of giver-uppers up here. That part's a joke, a real joke, because it was so worth taking profits. Congratulations again. Took profits up there, 50-55. It was all worth it, but we're still on track for $100 trippy digits. And VXX battling out 1999 and 20 flat. Sheesh. What a battle on VXX today. I'm the upper givers. I'm the upper giver. VXX is gonna be giving it up. It's all developing so smooth there, it almost seems like it's gonna be happening. It's starting to feel more and more like it's actually gonna happen. Russell Spec throwing out some heals. It's accumulating more metin. It's always worth the shout out. Hey, isn't this a metin buying song? Watch out, I got more evil laughs. I had to make him extra evil. I think this is a buying song. It might be the grayscale Litecoin buying song. I can't tell the difference. Cammy bouncing from $1. Oh snap. We got more green flashes. Alright, on. What is going green? I'll take a closer look at his actual intraday moves. AMBC, yeah, that was a nice opening on it. From the hot heavy AI. So yeah, these are holding $1. These dollar round numbers. Kemi holding $1, 110, all-time low. I think just about was enough, even if it's not. Essentially is the all-time low at $1 there. That's why he's bouncing today. Next ID holding 3. This is the long-term chart. People getting lost in the sauce on the short term on next ID. All those big pops and drops down there is pretty irrelevant to this. NAOV holding $1, another $1 holding. And Torre ACB, medical marijuana stocks, doing incredibly well. You see that FUD on that chart? There's FUD written all over that. It's a bunch of FUD written all over this chart. Thermogenesis holding $1. They're holding $1. People like their dollar stock. Gotcha, Swabi. Awesome, Swift Mischief. Digging all the new upgrades to the stream. Yeah, I'm running with a couple different settings today on Twitch, so that could be part of the disconnect there. Hopefully we're all good now. Another shot tomorrow. See how it goes again. Twitch audience seems decent enough. They like crypto. That's cool with me. Some of them watching, that'll be fun. We always do when I'm on there, but it's been an issue technically. So we'll see how it goes. Making some changes to the show for January. We'll be doing Discord days Wednesday. So if the medical marijuana like temporary HCB, probably shouldn't even say that word. Sundial? 58 cents. What? Tomas. Yes, is there any relevance to Power Bridge holding 58, or Green Pro holding 58 cents? Well, look at the Sundial sold in 58 cents too. Maybe. Let's check. Pro? Yeah, it is. This is our support it's holding. It doesn't matter if it's down a penny or whatever. It can ride this support a couple pennies down, no big deal, and then bounce huge. Just like we did all those other times. Pro. I'm not gonna pull up too many charts all at once, so we'll take it easy on the trading. Try not to break the internet. We'll stay focused. Cavo. Yeah, look at Cavo go. Oh shit. Look at Cavo go. Look at Cavo go from the all-time low. That is. Shows a big move back here at 75% that day on Cavo. Trying to get to 2 on it as soon as possible. By the looks of it. It already hit $1 back there. That was last week. This is what we're trying to get up to. So far so good. Exception. Explosive candles. So that's a good percent. The next one Good 150% by the looks of it. Is a good target. I was enjoying those new names in the chat earlier too. Just back to all the OGs in the chat. Shout out to the OGs. The original stop gangsters. It's kind of fun when someone's like, I'm thinking about buying my very first altcoin today. I haven't heard that in about 6 months. Until this morning. Could be a sign right there if you're looking for an extra hint of what market trend is. New traders looking to enter altcoins, apparently. Sea change. Remember we closed the Friday end of day candle at 150. It's at 150. Interesting battle going on at 150 there. Huh. AI advertising's on the bottom of the list now. That started the day on the top, excuse me. We started this morning with AIAD on the top of the list at 20% this morning. That's the least green one. Very choppy there, barcode, but not. That's what makes it kind of a pump and dump. Hits the targets, goes right back down real fast. Lucid's red on the day, careful there. No one should really be making any moves on. We should either just long-term holding it or you're moving on. It's not really any move. It's Lucid tradable right here. Is there any move that's worth making? There's really not for holders, not for entries, not for bears. I don't like it for any trades. Right now you're just going for a long-term hold at this point. Yeah, true, stock wizard. There's hardly anyone live streams so many hours straight during the day for the whole market, so when there are disconnects, it happens on our show. Like if there's any problem on YouTube ever, it happens on our show because we're always live every day. I'll sort it out by the end of the week either way. If I have to go back to YouTube only the end of the week, that's what we'll do. I'll try it for a few more days. Yeah, just reading it. Yeah, advertising. I get pretty excited this morning. I don't know. It's a good sign that things should come. I like what it started to do. Just didn't make it very far. It is still holding green. So it's just the very beginning of it, but Yeah, there's so much market confusion that you gotta make sure these moves are holding. That's the battle on VXX today, is over $20 really. So it doesn't mean that much that we hit $20 on VXX. I mean, it does, but it's not enough. We gotta hold above 20. Make sure it's a valid move. It's not just fake out. Yeah. I'm here whether the markets are good, bad, or ugly. Yeah, sometimes I like the dip days too. The only problem with the red lately is that it hasn't really let up. It's been like this for over a month now. That's what's hard about it. Normally it's not as tough to get through the storm because these dips only last a week or whatever. They're lasting 2 months. Like on Met, and it's been down here for way too long. Even though we did have that nice run. That's what's hard about these things like Metals, because it's essentially been down here every week for a long time, every day. It's taking longer than usual because that's how a real bottom would act. It's kind of a good thing. Since we're at the all-time low, develop the real bottom on it can take some time. It's such a brutal downtrend. The long term back here. It's such a big downtrend that yeah, it's gonna take the whole last month to really get it over with. But we had a red month December. Maybe we'll finish January nice and green there. We just want to start turning around soon, so we can feel better about it, ride it up, get our profits now that people loaded the boat, accumulated the dips. So we've had ample time to make our accumulations like right at 3. It's laughable. Yeah, it doesn't feel good that your ride's position's in the red, but damn, if I was a whale, I would buy like $10 million of that down there. I gotta believe the whales are loading up on a ride. Yeah, just Revenant getting big gains and big losses flowing constantly. Portfolio nowadays. Well, if you're not really comfortable with big volatility on your own portfolio like that, that's where things like VXX really come into play. That's what they're made for. That's why it's good to have some crypto exposure, get some nice altcoin profits on the side or whatever. The point of VXX is to protect your portfolio. Everything else takes a big hit. Yeah, Becky, we could get that VXX dip tomorrow because the S&P finally slowed down. We'll check the dollar later. It's not doing much for anything right now. S&P, it dropped so hard today. It hit our short-term support area. We're getting that bit of a bounce on it. It makes a lot of sense. This is our projection on it, so when you're looking at this green candle bar projections, we're in this second part, this little bounce. We already had that dip. You see how that matches up. We had this dip. Now we're getting this little bounce with that second candle bar. And then this tomorrow. There's no reason why I see no reason to believe it's not just gonna do the same thing tomorrow. There you go. Here's what the S&P is probably gonna look like tomorrow for the rest of the week. And then it's screwed. And after that, it's off the cliff. It's going off the plank. It's the plank. It's speeding up pretty wild. We're still just under 2 T's crypto market cap total. Look how quickly that's bouncing back up today. Still in the general area. It's just fine. That's why you don't want to make a decision on it too soon. Jump the gun on it, on crypto, and be bearish just because it's red on the morning or whatever. Hey Freddy, what happened to the stream? They don't want you to hear the truth. Hedgies attacked. It happens once in a rare while if I'm using different settings or if YouTube has an issue. We should be good for the rest of the day. I'm gonna try it again tomorrow though. Still some 0% chart suspicious. Waiter's going good. Waiter Cavo, it's been a minute. It's been 3 months. More than a while. It's always good when we've had some that we've been waiting on starting to change, shift momentum. C-Change wants to spring off 150. How tradable are these? Not day trader's paradise right now. Haha. Thinking about a conversation in the chat. Here's the thing, staying bullish is a misconception right now. That's too general. It's not a good idea to be a mega bull per se and just be like bullish on the markets. We're bullish on undervalued assets, undervalued stocks, undervalued altcoins. We're bullish on VXX, but that means we're bearish on S&P. So you see, it's already. Do you call yourself a bull or a bear if you're in VXX? Because you're bullish on VXX, but you're bearish on everything else. This is already too general. We're bullish on certain things, we're bearish on certain things. I'm bullish on the ones at the all-time low, basically. Essentially, our hot bevies, if it's a solid company, long-term fundamentals, and it's undervalued on the chart, I'm bullish on those. I'm pretty bearish right now on the large market caps. Look at our bear watch list shakes. Etsy Bay, 177. These ones, you don't want to be bullish on stuff like this. So it's too general to just be bullish on everything. We want some of this to come down here. Chipotle is dropping hard for 1600. Nice, J-Bic. I remember you were questioning that one. DraftKings puts. J-Bic almost turned bullish on this back here. I told him, nah, still bearish. He held it longer. So we're selective about it. We're being selective. Certain things we want to go up, others we want to go down. Try not to put yourself in a box of, oh, I'm bullish on the markets because I want to make money. That's not necessarily how to do it. You can be bullish on everything and still want to crush Etsy puts, still be bearish on Etsy. I mean, nice headshot. He's trying to snipe right at 298. Let me know if it fits. Yeah. The pirates are bullish on the hot bevies, that's for sure. That's the whole concept right now. Look how wrecked Etsy's getting. Sure, Metin might be red on the morning, but it's nothing like this. Metin's not going straight down like this. Grayscale Litecoin is somehow. That's the wild. It's kind of wacky. Metin's not doing that. Like ride, not that hard. The hot bevies aren't really taking that much damage right now. Somehow Grayscale is going straight down on the morning. It's ridiculous. You know what that means? That must be all the pirates holding the line. It's about to trigger our alert, actually. It's been trying to pop our alert on Grayscale. Steam is still crushing it. The altcoins looking more than healthy. Altcoins are primed and ready to go. Bitcoin's bouncing. Getting spicy. Today is pretty spicy. This is important for like TCAT and Metin and everything. That is absolutely still holding from the bounce back here. Holding an upturn still. Initial bounce. Sphere 3D is quite low. Oh, right at the bottom of our box, is it? I see what I did there, right at the bottom of our buy box. Trying to pull a quick one. Trying to be sneaky. Stop people out at 3, Sphere 3D. It's right in the name, Sphere $3 stop hunt. That's what Sphere 3D stands for, didn't you hear? Sphere 3D stands for Sphere $3 stop hunt. Whiskey. There's some big moves here and there, big bump and dumps. See that? Arrgh. Ugly though. Still not pretty even with that big bounce. Someone mentioned AMD earlier. Oh, yeah. We were checking this out last month or whatnot. Potential tops, but I don't like this as much as our other puts, even if it does. Yeah, it's getting... It's definitely in trouble on AMD. Up here. Actually, I think someone was bullish on this. People were riding this up. Yeah, I would be bearish on AMD nowadays, but still, I don't like it as much as our other place. Neuro. From the long-term support. Yeah. It's surprising it ever even went this low. That's kind of where we're at. If if it's surprising how low it is right now, if it was at an all-time low last week and it's even lower right now. Exactly. That's surprising. You're probably not gonna stay there very long. Let me see if anything's taking big damage, anything to worry about. Baron went huge on Friday. No one's been asking about agile therapeutics. Kupang. Yeah, Kupang's been underwhelming, but it's still holding the long-term support. That's fine. Metacrime. Oh, Metacrime. It went down even lower, another step down. That's the worst look on any of these I'm seeing right now. Maybe Zella too. Zella, Power Bridge, Metacrime, yeah. Those ones. We can't let that scare us out of it. Because what are you gonna do? Show all your Metacrine at the all-time low? Not a good idea. There's always a dice roll anyway. But it did not bounce after that hard crash last week. Just gotta give it more time, I suppose. I wouldn't give up on it down here. It's too late. Gotta commit to it. It's down 95% from the top. It's a big discount. It's a lot of lost value that can recover. And NAKD, oh, same thing. It's stupidly low right now. It shouldn't be going straight down like this, but it is. So, paper hand shaking out. You're getting those value entries. This could be a very final test of emotions, and it absolutely moons all year long after it. I'm only getting more excited, more confident about them after this. They kind of needed this. I'm happy to see this happen on NAKD in a weird, kind of against your common sense sort of way. Because now that it's finally getting the hammer like that, get it all over with. Finally start going green on it. The sooner it all gets out of the way, the better. Smack down, bounce right back up next week, next month, and start going on a bull run. So, if I was focusing on building NAKD positions, this would be your double down area. You're starting to make those last minute fire entries. $10x targets. From $4, $40. That's 10 times. The lower it goes, the bigger the targets get. The target's not changing there, it's too long term. It was based off the long term fundamentals there. Why we're anticipating it to go on a run next year. Throughout this year, really, we just want to get started. We want to get it all started, going up, trending nice and strong this year. And maybe it's 50 next year. Cool. Tell you what, after going red literally all year long 2021, I don't think it's gonna be another year like that on NAKD. It's gonna be totally different by the looks of it. Power Bridge, well, Power Bridge ridiculously low, but it's the all-time low, so it's kind of the same deal where it's like, well, let's get it over with. slam it down and then it'll bounce right back up. So it's happening, it's getting out of the way, but it's not really looking like gonna be hitting any targets on Power Bridge today. And Nicola's just sitting right under 10 again. Like, it's done that so many times, like 100 times every day. I swear. It bounces over 10 and then it comes back down under 10. Day traders love Nicola. Cycling the bounce on 10 over and over. But one of these looking to actually continue up for a big 30. Same with Wish, all-time low. It's ridiculously low, but it is what it is. Just like Grayscale Litecoin being that 650 is lower than it should be here. That's even as hotter than it was before. How hot can they get? Not much more. I doubt it. You're down like 95% already. Unless the Wish is gonna crash 99%, then bounce or crash to 0. I don't see it. Some of them might, but most of these I'm fully expecting to recover and do very good. Been trying to explain my morning. I'm starting to feel even more confident about them. It's not even necessarily about where they are on the chart right now. It's about the greater trends and cycles happening. It's pretty clear that there's a lot of money leaving the large market cap stocks. And they're going to be looking for profitable trades, so they're going to be looking for undervalued stocks. That's all our charts. Those are the things that they're going to enter next. We're definitely early, but think about it. You're buying all-time lows in a fucking market crash. It doesn't get any more savage than that. I'm so proud of it, Coop. You're all doing great. Just to make it this far, you're doing incredible. Believe in yourself. Trust the charts, trust the value level. It's the yin and yang in life. Things always cycle. When they get out of balance, they return to normal, they return to balance eventually. Things are out of balance right now. Some things are way too far up, some things are way too down low. I trust they're gonna return to the proper balance here. So that's why I'm feeling confident about it. I know how the universe works. Stuff gets out of balance and it returns to balance. We've seen it all before. Anatomy of a bubble. Torres bouncing off her gold buy box down there. Arrow's really ready to recover. This is how quickly they're recovering. Instant bounces, instant reversals. It's not like Tilray's staying flat at the hot bevy for 3 months. It stayed down there for like 3 days. Quick sundial train break. Weird day today in multiple respects. I hope you're all having a great morning. Awesome having you on the chat. Let's get some sevens in the chat. Coming in the power hour soon. The day's almost over already. Roll call. We need some emergency sevens in the chat.
777.
Maybe you don't. I don't know. You might want it. You might want all the good luck you can get. Nice, let's keep leveling up. 2 minutes on break. Gotta get those experience points so you can fight the boss. That treasure. Back into the church. Welcome back, friends. Thanks for all the positivity today. Great attitude. The accumulation strategies apply to any of these. We were talking earlier about the double down strategies and everything. You can use that on any of these things like TCAT, crypto. The key really, look, try not to get yourself stuck. It's not good when you get stuck and then you can't make any moves, or you feel like you can't make any moves because you fired all your cannons already, or too many long-term holds or whatnot. Spam bots. Look, spam bots are back. That's always a good sign. It usually means we're about to go on a bull run. Imagine being so bad at trading that you had to spam pump your coin or whatever. Oh, by the way, I heard ride short squeeze tomorrow. Yeah, boy, it's coming. I'll see you there. You gonna make it there? Hope you make it there. The worst thing to do is doubt yourself and panic sell your Sphere 3D. All this bouncing nice from the support already. I see no problems with it down here. None at all. I'm super bullish Sphere 3D still. As good as can be. I already had a giant magic triangle break of it. That's what sent it moving the first time. Well, it went 300%. Now we're going for the gold. Just wanted to retest the support apparently all the way back down, which is totally normal in the long term, so that's all good. That's what I'm saying, is all good in the long term, looks good as can be. I got no worries about that, no doubts about the bullishness on Sphere 3D. It just happens to be under $3 today, undervalued. There's only one reasonable thing to do. Fire your cannons. When in doubt, fire cannons. Okay, we're going back in. We're going back around. We're turning that ship around. Fire more cannons. When in doubt, fire cannons. Alright, feel better. Feel better already. When you're sitting there thinking, Should I panic? So my sphere 3D. When in doubt, fire cannons. We got a long way to go to that target. I mean, in terms of share price, percent gain, profits, the big P. 500%. I'm talking. The chef got the salad order. Gotta give him time to dice the tomatoes. The coconut juice on the side. Some cheese on top. Some cheese with that squeeze. I'm liking it. I'm liking what you're doing. That's all good. But we're not through the storm yet. And it's not day trading paradise. If you're looking for day trades, they're out there. Sea change. Crypto. ICP over the weekend went 20%. Hey, West Virginia. Happy New Year's. Yeah, Mad Lad doubled his money on S&P today. That's fun. Playing the bounce, huh? This is my projection on it. It's as rough as can be at the moment. I say they did on that cookie. Inching closer and closer there. Perhaps by the end of the week, as soon as the end of the week, we'll be dropping below 450. And then what? Might be a doozy. Could be a doozy. It's one tanker of a chart, that's for sure. Tesla green on the day. Green on the day? No way. Probably not for long. Even Etsy had a big bounce. Crazy stuff. Come on, Centric's finally been rolling over as well. Everyone's still holding those. Really, the crypto developments today are more important than the stock developments in terms of the impact for the rest of the year. We already have a good feel for our hot bevies that they're undervalued. And the OV, anything under $1 undervalued. It's pretty clear levels of where they're undervalued. Cobble under $1 undervalued it's almost obvious. So we feel great about that. And look at that, T-Cat went green at the end of the day. So it was coming up in the chat this morning. A couple of T-Cat holders wondering about it. Why was it going any lower? Well, it was green on the end of the day. Changes quick. Red opening didn't matter. Didn't mean anything. The crypto stocks are red on the morning because Bitcoin went down over the weekend. People panic sold their crypto stocks first thing in the morning. Well, now Bitcoin's holding up, bouncing strong. Probably wasn't a good idea to panic sell their T-Cat or their Metin or their Share 3D. Yeah. Thanks, student. I hope all the pirates are doing well. As far as the S&P being up and down tomorrow, we're not trying to worry about it that closely. We're going for the big moves at this point. So I'm calling S&P. There is some fun day trades, whatever, if you're scalping it. That's cool for fun scalps, day trades, whatever, but overall, this is all mostly you need to worry about. It doesn't really matter what it does tomorrow. Let's see the weekly candle close. I want to see where it ends Friday. How about that? Give it till Friday and see where it's at. Because if it's down under 450, closes the week down there, it's pretty much all done. I don't think anything can save it at that point, depending how low it goes Friday. But if it's still chopping all around here all week, then we gotta wait longer. Annoying. I don't want to see how I'm not impatient on it. I just want it to happen already. Get it all over with. Which is being impatient on the same thing. I basically just defined patience, but I'm not expecting it to really affect our trades all that substantially besides VXX and maybe crypto. I don't think this is even gonna affect a lot of these that much. That's a pretty bold statement too, right? To say that T-Cat it may even be a bit arrogant. Right? That's a bold statement to say that T-Cat might hold up during a fucking market crash. That's a big statement, but that's how it's looking. Or Metin, or TAL, the China stocks. That's a very big statement, a very big prediction to speculate that Chinese companies are going to do okay during a US market crash. So we better feel good about our entries, that we're getting that value entries. Now we gotta give them a chance to do their thing. I think you can feel pretty good about that value entry, considering it's down significantly from the top, over 95% from the top. We like our hot bevies 85 to 95%. That's what makes this extra hot. That's what makes it spicy even. Anything over 95% is getting spicy, and there's more than a few of them. Some of them have gotten really far down there. Even Ride's getting down there. I want to double check. Get a measurement on it. %. So that's partially why Ride hasn't recovered yet. It's not even quite as hot as things like TAL. C-Chain's still going. C-Chain's more than ready to go. Day trader, oh look, day traders out there. Where are all the day traders? They're taking it easy. They're taking trading breaks because it's not day trader paradise. But look at this thing, ready to blow. This was the 150 close on Friday. Remember what I said on Friday if you were watching end of day? We were watching this battle at 150. We got the close at 150, and I said that's relevant. It's not make it or break it. It's not everything. It's a two-step process. The first step was closing the day over 150. Step number 2 is holding Monday over 150. So that's happening. Going from 0% to 4% green the end of day. We will do a crypto crunch today. Partially to make up for the disconnect earlier. Partially because... oh my goodness. We gotta see what Bitcoin's gonna do. Ah, perfect. This song's called Jalapeno. It's how spicy things are. More things flashing green as well. We should check the dollar now. Now we can check dollar. Okay. It's been working its way down throughout the day, really. So we're actually on for a power hour dip here. Yeah. By the looks of it, we get this power hour dip. We're gonna get a whole bunch more charts turning green end of day. That's why it's not extremely relevant if they opened red today like Met and just close the day green or nickel. It's kind of irrelevant. It's more about the weekly moves right now. These things gonna trend up nice and healthy all week, or they gonna maintain their values, or they gonna pop like popcorn, more and more flashing green. Quality gen. Cabo. VXX, it doesn't matter if it closes under 20 today. It's more, is VXX gonna be over $20 by Friday? End of the week, is it just gonna keep trending up above $20 by the end of the week? That's the stuff we want to find out. So essentially now or never for VXX, but in terms of the hot bevy bounces, well, some of them are recovering quicker depending how low they were, or if they have a news event or whatnot. Some of them still taking, or looking like they're gonna take a couple months, like 2-3 months to really recover. So there's definitely gonna be ones where they're still developing, they're only partially through the bottom cycle, but other ones like this just completely ready to go. It's nano vibrance and the OB. This and C change right here. Chemi from $1. Nice Chemi bounce from $1 round numbers. Interesting. Neuro from 5. Neurometrics. Neurometrics and nano vibronic. I don't know why, but they seem to trend together. I really don't even know why. I remember that from months ago when Neuro and NAOV were both crushing it at the same time. Way back here in July. It's more than red. That's my goodness. I can't even communicate. There's no way I can even translate how red these things are to go. It's like now or never. They're about to fucking explode, go hundreds of percents by the look of it, alright? Oh, don't even sweat it if it's red for one morning or whatever. Or even a month, because it can be, maybe you bought in over here like a month or two ago and it's red for 2 months straight and it sucks. And you're all impatient and you're like, all pissed off, but then next week, boom, 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 hit a huge target, all of a sudden you're in the green. It didn't even matter what happened back here. It's just not exactly that cycle right now. Fresh out of it last year, the epic pillaging. It's not precise the exact day the year changes. January 1st, everything changes. It's not quite that precise. It's more like this whole quarter right now, a whole quarter 1, 2022. The whole first few months of the new year is going to be really important. Not the first week so much. I recommend you envision where these might be 3 months from now. Where do you think TCAT is gonna be 3 months from now, 6 months from now? $12, $40. Down here? You're gonna be down here in 3 months? I doubt it. Bitcoin's gone. I don't think TCAT's gonna stay at a 95% hot bevy for very long.
Hot beverage.
tension's mounting. These things are all looking to close strong today. That's cool. And again, I'm sure we already are getting more things flashing green. That's what the dollar dip's gonna do here. You know, this is exactly what Bitcoin needs right now. The dollar dip is exactly what crypto needs right now. Crypto doctor ordered up a dollar dip. It's interesting too. The point is, dollar dip's not enough to save S&P. S&P's twice as red as TCAT is today. S&P is down 0.6%, TCAT's down 0.3%. What happened to our 42% grayscale Altcoin discount? You guys buy it all? That didn't trigger the alert. So close. Right on the line. Some of them are good, some of them are bad. Some of them are pretty ugly. They are. I like our hot bevies the most. I'm liking our hot bevies. I'm liking our market hedges. I'm liking our VXX. I'm liking our bearish trades. That's eBay. The surprising thing, nothing bigger's changed today. On the stocks, not really. They're developing, but fuck, the bearish ones, yeah. Sorry, bulls, but the bears got what they wanted today on these ones. Home Depot, that's perfect. That's the biggest developments on the stock charts today, and then the S&P is all part of that. Honestly, yeah, the critical area that Bitcoin is sitting at right here, right now, that's so important for the whole crypto market sector, everything with crypto, all the companies that mine crypto, all the NFTs, all fucking there's so much money coming down to whatever Bitcoin is going to do next, and this is where it needs to decide. That's the biggest fucking thing going on today, hands down. No doubt about it. Overall, it's bigger than the S&P in my mind, because if Bitcoin goes up here while the S&P goes down, that'll be the first time it's ever really diverged and actually hedged itself against the S&P. Crypto's never behaved as a market hedge before. There's been speculation about it for many years about maybe one day crypto will be safe. It'll be looked at as a safe store of value. That's when you hear store of value, that's what people are talking about, is potentially storing the value in crypto to protect it against the stock market crash. That's never happened before. If that happens here, that's insane. That would be world changing. It would be officially a market hedge if that happens, and everyone would want a piece of it, essentially. People are hesitant. I mean, big dogs, really, they're hesitant to put millions into Bitcoin and crypto because they see it as risky that crypto can crash. If the market crashes, then Bitcoin will take lots of damage. If that proves itself to not be the case, I mean, there's no reason not to hold crypto. If crypto goes up when the market crashes, then it's not very risky, which means it's simply profitable. We're gonna find out how risky crypto really is nowadays. Because to me, when I think about risky, I think about things like Tesla. Dypto. Even NVIDIA. Where it broke through. That stuff looks risky. To go to start accumulating NVIDIA or whatever. It makes no sense to me. I would never do that. The value level's not there. That's fucking risky because it could lose a lot of value really quickly. That's scary. That's what's really scary about the markets. I'm not scared about netting down there. That's exciting. There's only one chance to get it at the all-time low. It's there. This is the chance. It's never been this low ever. That's opportunity, my friends. Last trading break going into power hour. Happy Monday. You're gonna do it. You're gonna do this. We're staying 7 months ahead of the fucking market. 7 steps, 7 months ahead of the market. We've been planning for this 7 months ago. Stay calm, hold strong, stick to the plan. What's happening? These ones show you, Neuro is showing you, hey, look how fast it bounces back up from the bottom. And Tilray. And Chemi now. And Nanovibronics and Neurometrics also. And CJ, they're going. It's happening. It's hard to realize if everything's red in the morning. Those are big bounces. Big boy bounces. Yeah, I heard about somebody who made nice profits on Tesla last year. They took 1/3 of their profits and they're holding the majority of it. It's like, yo, why don't you take all your profits if you're up that much on it? Fucking greedy. I locked in some profits, but now he's probably gonna lose money on it after it's all said and done. If I had Tesla from last year, I would be selling it all right now. All out. Completely taking the profits, getting out of it completely, moving on to other trades. Hands down. It's an easy decision. And then entering at these value levels on these bullish long-term fundamental charts, easy decision in my mind. The hard part's following through with it, actually executing it, sticking to the plan. Diamond hands and getting to those big targets. Diamond Hands Challenge. You have to Diamond Hands your favorite hot bevies for 7 months. Cool. Welcome back, friends. The weather did a fake out, shake out this morning. It was snowing earlier, now it's a beautiful day out. I even sighted a lawn boy out there. Lawn boy's back. Things really are changing. Holding strong all those moves. Indeed. The dollar's probably still dipping. Well, we had a big dip this morning. That was good enough. Get things going. Remember, when the dollar's not going straight up, we're in good shape. It's that time. It's happy hour. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. One last round of sevens in the chat.
777.
Why is a big day this week? Oh man, this week. Let's get one more round of sevens in the chat. It's a bit surreal. We've been talking about all this for a long time now. Here's the catch on the dollar. It's trying to go up here. They're 7 months ahead of 7 steps ahead of the market. When it's not going straight up, our stocks do well. With any luck, we'll get a juicy dollar dip here. JBig asked JD Party Hat if he's watching the wrong stream, maybe. He might be on this morning show. But yeah, no, you want to be aware, dollar's looking to do this, because look, this all year on the dollar. You want to see 2021 on the dollar? Here's insane. Straight up all year. This is why S&P's in trouble. It's not done yet. It's not safe. Some stocks are in huge trouble with this. That's the big concern, or the big confusion on Bitcoin right now. The indecision on Bitcoins. Is Bitcoin gonna take a lot of damage with dollar doing this? That's what it would take. If it's gonna be anything, it'll be that. So we gotta make it through the storm here still up here. One last storm we're heading towards. We're cruising full speed right into one last big hurricane. That's what makes me concerned about the S&P stocks there. Now, here's what we're hoping. Even if that happens, since it's already been happening, our stocks, yeah, they've been taking some damage. When we get big moves like this, they take some damage, yeah. So we don't like when it goes straight up. But overall, our favorite stocks have been holding up well at their bottom zones, or entry areas. So, all-time low doesn't scare me on that, and it just gets me excited. With all that being said, I would much rather go long on all-time low, buying low, selling high. That's how you should be playing this market. So you don't get paper hand folded during the crashes, the dips. It's not a good way to do it. These are the kind of things where you look back in time and think, oh man, I wish I bought more down there. NAKD is pretty savage. It's nearly the all-time low, I mean. You're getting prices jumping. We're time traveling. We're back in the year 2020 on NAKD. Last time it was down here. You know what? In fact, that was the only time it was down here ever. For a couple months in 2021. Or 2020, excuse me. Here's 2021. It's kind of like ignoring all that. Getting in back at 2020 prices. It's badass. What better place to be getting in than all-time low? There's not. As long as they don't crash to zero. If you think NAKD is going to crash to zero, then you would never go long on it in the first place. Long boys, long sand. Look out below, sand. Sand puts. I wouldn't touch it up here. I don't go long on Moon Boy stuff. You gotta be a sand Moon Boy to FOMO in up there. That's no dip. Give me the hot bevy. Forget the dip. Give me the hot bevy. I'm here. Head soccer worried about T-Cat going to $1? You must be looking at the wrong chart. T-Cat been on a long-term bull run since 2019, friends. Chippy did these $100 targets, T-Cat. I remind you, last bull run. Alright, let's take 2021. Oh, look at that. It mooned in February. T-Cat fucking mooned in February last year. With the Wall Street bet hype, but still interesting timing, huh? Considering we're going into February in about 2 weeks from now. We're at the hot bevy right now. So let's say you got in January 2021 last year. Boom, 50x, 60x, 6,000%. $60x. So yeah, T-Cat can go 20x this year, sure. If it can go 60x last year, it's like could go pretty big the next time around as well. 10x looking pretty reasonable there. 20x, all-time high area. A new all-time high, $100, put it up 30x. That's the kind of stuff that turns you into a real pirate, maybe. What if you're brave and you trust the charts and then it works out and you make a shit ton off it? That's gotta feel pretty good. If everyone else was wrong, panic selling it all year long, and you were right to be brave. Reward, get that treasure. Patience pay off. How good would that feel? Remember, we're always early on stuff. We've been scouting out this bottom for 6 months. People are just looking at TCAT for the first time today. Have no idea what's going on in the chart. We've been ready for 6 months. So I doubt it's gonna go to $1. Yeah, what if it did? That'd be epic, cause you could buy a shit ton of TCAT at $1. We could only be so lucky. It's not a bad thing if it did, but I don't see it, cause it's holding the long-term support too strong. It's going too well for that. That's how it's going for that's how it's going for Grayscale as well right now. We're live and good right now on my phone. It should be no issues. Too big. But thanks for the feedback. We're running new settings today. Trying not to overload trading view with 1,000 charts as well.
Hey Captain, I made it low. 777 for Cap and crew. I was in the shower. Can you fill me in what I missed?
Get out of the shower. You're 4 hours late on the squeeze. Would you miss a lot, actually? I'm not even joking about that part. You actually miss a lot. Should probably go back and rewatch this morning's show. Everything's changing. This is super important, actually, developments today. It's the S&P, nothing can save it, apparently. It's in very hot water. Crypto, I'm impressed. Bitcoin bouncing, perfect. Long-term support. That's as good as it could be going down there right now. What if we're cruising right to all-time high? That's how it would be. This is the setup, this perfect setup to go to 77K all-time high Bitcoin. Right here, right now. Off this trend line, epic bounce, boom, all-time high. That might happen soon. Or maybe not so soon, we'll see. Maybe it, maybe it takes a month. Get through here. But if it's over here, I'm as bullish as can be because it might do this soon. And send it. I'll be bearish down here. Not yet. We'll talk about it more after though. But that was something that was major development today. A $3,000 bounce on Bitcoin this morning from 39K. Important support level. While the S&P is going straight down, Bitcoin went straight up. That's important. Good to know about. Not many people even realize the relevance there. That could lead to some huge shifts. Because, alright, amplify that. What if we extend that out? So that's how it's gone today. Well, if it happens again tomorrow and Bitcoin goes up while the S&P goes down, and then it happens next week and Bitcoin goes up more while S&P goes down more. That's interesting. It's actually holding up as good as can be. By the way, as far as the altcoins go, look what Steam did last night. Here's your bullish potential on the altcoin. Look how fast these are bouncing. 40% bounce on Steam this morning overnight. So it is similar. Actually, you know what? This can't even wait till after the bell. This looks identical to Bitcoin right now. It's about as close as can be as what Bitcoin's doing here. It's continuing bullish. This looks like the last sell-off on Bitcoin right here, when it hit 40,000, 41,000, and then we hit 39,000, and we're bouncing. Well, Steam went way up here already. Bitcoin's still down here bouncing right now. It's really, it's mimicking it very good. Might even be able to overlay them right on top of each other. Yeah, so it's pretty identical there. The orange line here is Bitcoin, but what you can't see is the big candle bars on Bitcoin there. It's a line chart, so you can't see every single push on it above and below, but look how it mimics it. Well, this is where it dipped Bitcoin as well. So we know that matched up, and then this area matches up. And Bitcoin's right here, the orange line right now. But look how the altcoins are already going. Steam's up here, Bitcoin's still down here. So those are major developments right now today, for sure. And the bearish charts, we'll talk about those more after the bell. Nice bottom developments, but what else is new there? Awesome head start. Another epic day, indeed. So far, might get even more epic after the bell. Might get even more epic overnight on crypto. Headstock entered Metin and TCAT today. Very nice. That's why he's having an epic day. Even QualiGen flashing green, bottom of the buy box, so pretty good market actually on our bottomed out stocks. Naked was the worst of it today. That's It's not secret. Naked getting hammered there. You know what that means. That's where we are. So if I was accumulating naked actively, I would be doubling down there. Certain to double down, add more lower cost average. So I'm bullish on the fundamentals naked. Long term, they just had the Central Electric Group name change. It really looks like the last test of emotions, just getting it all over. Whoops! Had a major bounce right out. I think it'll bounce shortly after. Look at the last time. This bounce here on that AD was huge. And then it kept going and going. We're looking for epic bounces in the near future. But let's give them some, we gotta give them a chance. We don't even hardly giving it a chance. A long-term hold chart like this means giving it longer than 6 months, giving it longer than even a year. But because it's all developing more rapidly now, with all the recent news on it and everything, things are changing quickly, so we can get those bounces hopefully sooner rather than later now. I'm not expecting it to take all year long to start going up. I think we'll get some epic bounces on crush big targets relatively quickly there. But that's all part of what makes it a long-term hold. Is you could have been day trading a similar chart pattern like this on a day trade. Take profits by the dip, and this looks like any other standard action. It's just it's stretched over months and months, rather than a few hours. Of course, the medical marijuana plays today, Tilray ACB. Fairly high up on the top of the list, no pun intended, but that's good news for Sundial there. Yeah, Power Bridge is putting in some green candles, SNJ. It's gotta give, somebody's gotta give. Slower than it should be. Power Bridge was absolutely exploding last week during Power Hour over and over again. You know another one's coming. I better put an alert on it. Put a Power Bridge alert. In case we get a giant green candle the very last 10 minutes. We haven't got a grayscale alert. Grayscale hasn't moved. So what the heck? No alerts are triggering. Yeah, sure, Matthew. Just for you. I know you've been watching a while. Matthew's down on Coin Pharmaceutical. Quoin Pharmaceutical. No idea how to pronounce that. I was thinking about lowering cost average. Honestly, with a name like that, I gotta check where the headquarters are. Israel. 2 import. Uh-oh. I'll go ahead and check. Hey Becky, you're lagging out a bit? Okay, good to know. Thanks for the feedback. I'm running some different settings today, experimenting. Because we're live on Twitch right now. I'll fix it by the end of the week one way or another. It's only temporary. I can go back to YouTube only if need be. Alright, cool. Well, yeah, keep the feedback coming if you notice stuff like that. Just couple days. Shit. Nah, honestly, it's time for honesty is the word of the day. And the charts are being pretty darn earnest, dude. Pretty darn earnest. Fire all the gunners. I gotta drop the heat on this shit. I wouldn't put a single dollar in this company. 15 million market cap, that's tiny. There's 2 employees based at Israel. I have no idea who those 2 people are, but I don't trust them with my money. I don't care how the chart looks. Sorry to say, Matthew, but that's one you might want to even cut your losses on. Just fuck that. Hopefully it's not too brutal of a loss for you. But think on the bright side if you do. Look, if you're already down and it's already been painful, look at the bright side. Now you can get into something better. Potentially get out of that scammy thing. Why even sugarcoat it? I don't want Matthew to get wrecked on some scam bullshit. I'm glad you asked. Maybe it's not a scam, but how much progress are 2 employees gonna make? They got 10x the market cap, 2 guys in Israel. Bump and dump. And this isn't the fun part either. Those guys probably already abandoned ship. They're probably... I won't go there. They're probably at that battle with fucking Palestine. Those 2 guys. Shout out to our Israeli folks. And I mean that. We have an incredible amount of support from Israel watching the show. We have like 4% Israeli audience. I think that's pretty amazing, but I don't know, maybe in the chat if you know anything about that company over there. If you've ever heard of it before, let us know. If you're from over there. Otherwise, it's not the typical thing that we would do. That's what I don't like about it. Being over here in the States, I know nothing about their economy over there. Or even too much about the political situation. Okay, so I'm a naive American about that. And whoa, the reason, check this out, okay, because the The reason I don't feel comfortable with this is not anything to do with the headquarters. I'm all for companies over there if we can find some great charts for them or whatnot. What I don't like about it is the small market cap. That's smaller than like any of our other stocks. And I don't like the 2 employees. That's what I don't like about it. Nothing to do with where it's located. However, Metin with the China FUD. Well, shit. Metin's got 4,000 employees, not 2. So we can feel a bit more comfortable diamond handing Metin with the future potential of Metin when they have 4,000 employees and almost $100 million market cap. They actually have some staying power where they have a good chance to succeed. They're a lot of manpower. If Metin had 2 employees, we would never. TAL Education Group, 70,000 employees. TAL Education, look, you want your fundamentals, your due diligence? TAL Education out of China. Stands for Tomorrow Advancing Light. Charts are in everything. Charts show you the value entries. Check this shit out. Tomorrow Advancing Life is a Chinese holding company that offers after-school education and tutoring for students in primary and secondary school. It's a giant education, almost monopoly, headquartered in Beijing. 71,000 employees is massive. Look at the revenue. $4.5 billion revenue 2021. $4.5 billion revenue. They're only worth $2 billion market cap. It's a $2 billion company with 71,000 employees generating $4.5 billion in revenue. They're churning more than twice their market cap in revenue. 71,000. This is a fucking money machine. This company, and it's undervalued some way, somehow. That's how hard it got smacked down. It doesn't even make sense down here with that kind of financials. Alright, well, we have a parallel descending channel, which is a textbook bullish breakout pattern. And anything below that line's ridiculous entries. You wanna travel back in time? Alright. Ring ring. It's Captain Denwo, aka Morpheus. Pick up Neo. We're gonna time travel. We're going back to the year 2015. Because that's the last time TAL Education owes this kind of value entry. Was this price on the stock? $2015, 14. And then ever since, it went on a massive bull run for like 10 years straight. $25x. China FUD. US was talking smack about China for the last 2 years straight. Oops, there it goes. Got the hammer. Undervalued here now. We're time traveling back. As if that 25x bull run never even happened. Yet they're still generating $4.5 billion revenue. Follow the white whale. So that's, I mean, fuck. Long-term bullish fundamentals on Tau. It looks like the worst of it already happened. The financials back up the value level with the chart. The only thing bad about it is it was going down a lot for a long time there. Well, for a few months it got hammered. That's the only thing bad about this. Besides that, everything's incredibly set up. Whoa, GRTX. On top of the list out of nowhere. What's wrong here? Just working our way up to the bigger target, so. So this doesn't care what S&P is doing. This doesn't care what Tower is doing. Becky loves this beat. That's cool. Pretty grimy. So yeah, I like it too. What beat? What music? I don't hear anything. That's just sound of pirates pillaging. I'm just hearing treasure get awarded, boy. I just hear the sound of cargo being packed away down there. Got filled target 750. That's 100% to go. I'm still trying to go 100%. Go ahead. Forgot all about this one. Mm, 23 minutes. Still not a ton of green charts, but that's to be expected today with the S&P being super ugly. Yeah, net and flashing green. It's good, it's good. That's the thing, they started the day kind of ugly, kind of red, and it always looks rough. When we start the show and all our charts are red, it kind of looks like, oh no, it's gonna be a really rough day on TCAT and Metin, but then they start turning green already. TCAT's been flashing green all day. They're not as bad as they first appeared. It's all part of the mind game. Things like this, they're very much on track. This one really couldn't be more on track right now. And Galera in particular, but even this was red last week. So you see this red all week last week, every day, red, red, red. It's like, oh man, I'm gonna give up on it, but still very bullish here. We're gonna go 100% further, so. So I guess no surprise. Long story short, no surprise if Galera Therapeutics goes 100% next week. Yeah, Wish is way down there, Becky, way lower than it should be. Okay, thanks, J-Big. No, I make note of that. Ola can do it. Tell him Ola can do it. Let's double check Wish. How low is it? We know it's all time low, but how hot is it? 92.5%. Are we gonna get that 95%? No. It almost doesn't even matter anymore. Oh, we got some met and hype. That's, so Bitcoin's factors kicking in. There's bullish divergence here on Wish holding. These are good entries, these hot debuts, like XL Wish for leaps for long-term calls. Maybe not so much a day trade. We don't know if it's gonna pop tomorrow or next week or what. So it's hard to time those day trades on it, but talking long-term contracts, maybe some nice swings on it. Giving it plenty of time to get this all out of the way and then crush big targets the later half of the year. Just expect it to kind of work its way up going to the end of the year. See how far it gets. On these things. We don't want to be overly bullish. We don't want to be moon boys and think that, yeah, for sure Wish is going to hit up here by the end of the year. Let's see how far we can get. We just want to get the reversal going. I'm not convinced that's perfect penny on it, but it's got all those bullish puzzle pieces, so it very well could be the further it develops there. The very last minutes of the day, we got grayscale Litecoin entries. Fucking. That's it. End of short period. No. For reals, it's at dub 7. Entries on it, if you're entering it today, it's pretty insane. But now it's the magic number, so it's right here at the dub 7. That's the price you're paying for grayscale. Litecoin's still up here, 125. So basically, Litecoin holds here, keeps going up. Grayscale's gonna hold, keep going up, but even further, even more, because it's way down here, getting those fire entries. What a day. That'll be all a good day. We got 17 minutes. Don't know so bad. Well, you know it'd be very silly is shorting Wish right now. That's how the hedge funds would get wrecked if they shorted Wish right there. These all-time lows are the areas that they cover their shorts that helps push it up. They were shorting Wish all year long last year. Now they cover it down here and it goes up throughout the rest of the year. Think about if you were shorting Wish 6 months ago, you'd be covering here the all-time low. You'd be like, fuck yeah, time to get out of my shorts, take profits. That's what's happening, and that process takes some time. Forget the short squeezes when it's already up here, and then, oh, they're gonna cover all the shorts tomorrow. Forget all that shit. They're covering shorts down here at the all-time low. Obviously. They're shorted all year, now they cover down here. I guess. I guess like conspiracies all year long about hedges and short squeezes didn't mean shit, because at the end of the day they cover at the all time. They cover down here at the bottom, and that helps drive it up. They don't cover it after it goes up a lot already. They just wait for it to come back down. They already covered. They covered AMC 7 months ago. I don't think they even care about AMC anymore. I don't know. Let's see if they're using their shorts. Well, they have 6 million short shares available, so they don't even care anymore. They're not even shorting it anymore. They just don't even. They're out of the trade, dude. They're long gone. They moved on to other stuff because they're real traders. They survive the markets. That's what you do. You adapt. Move on to other places. See change going, gone. Hedges never got trapped. They got trapped at the bottom at $2, whatever. It squeezed to 77. They just go like, what? The last 15 minutes, we just got our just go like, oh man. So much for $5. All day we were like, where's the alert? Wasn't triggered the alert. There it is. Upwards. Let the short squeeze begin. There's no reason for it to go to 5. We're already losing our discount. 38% discount. It was like 42% discount this morning. The discount's dwindling rapidly. $7. We hit 7. No more 650. Alright. 706. Oh shit, are we gonna close the magic number? They might close 777 magic number today, right now. Next 12 minutes. Getting spicy. Dollar dip a little bit. Enough to help. S&P as red as can be, so we got movers though. Sea change got that bounce. It was developing all afternoon. Show you that one. Bullish bow indicator. I knew I heard that. Don't worry, guys. We'll catch you. Sink the dick. Here's the change breakout from 150. That was that end of day battle on Friday. We were watching at 150. Now it's 161. So we're already maintained over 10%. AI is working its way back up, finishing strong. Yeah, that's set up for tomorrow. AI advertising in a perfect spot right now. Double check these targets, they're pretty big. 500%. Be badass. I hope it does. I hope it just smashes that target all in one day to just crush the target as soon as possible. Let's get it. You'll know what to do. You take profits as soon as it gets up there. Instantly. Immediately. So it's set up for that. It's going according to plan. You can get a huge pump on it. Happening real fast last time. There's a daily candle on it right here. Let's check this one. 130% one day. How about this one? 150% one day. It went 300% in 2 days. To 150% days back to back right there. It's the last one, so yeah, get ready for that. Green alert AI advertising. If we crush huge percents on it like that this week, instant profit taking up there. Okay, these ones are holding the important numbers. $1, $1, $5, $1.50. $1. CVM. Good old CVM. Yeah, that'd be ideal, Gregory. That's what we're hoping, man, is y'all can crush big targets on that, whoever's in it, soon, and then take those profits, move them on to your other trades. That's what's good, valuable about having a trading portfolio. If you're all in long-term holds, you're not able to make swing trades like this. And I mean, if you make a nice 500%, that can be a lot of met, and that could be a lot of grayscale once you take those profits. Another $1 battle. The XX holding green. Yeah, S&P looking to close red, so it's to be expected. Got hammered today. Stop buying all the grayscale. Yeah, savages. We really did some damage to him today. $7.50. Whoa. Was that it? Was that the all-time low? We'll talk about it after. VXX flashing red. What is it? Insanity. I can only imagine new traders going through their head right now. Oh, it must be a total mindfuck. Because they change and trick people and they don't do what they should be doing themselves. S&P and VXX aren't supposed to be read at the same time. But here they are, all of a sudden it read at the very end of the day. Almost like a joke. What the heck? Bullcat has a bunch of catnip on her head or something. What'd you get? She must be pretty bullish. She's covered in all this stuff. What'd you do? Bullcat must have been fighting some bear. She's got bear fur all over her. Where'd that come from? She must have ate a bunch of bears today. These things are nearly up 10% on the close here. There's more than a few upper single digits. Oh yeah, we are getting more green flashes. Look at this. We got a Taya now. Other kind of random ones, but that's okay. Blackberry's almost green on the day. No, I have no affiliation with Grayscale. I just like the value level on the chart. Captain gets his treasure at the darkest, deepest depths of the ocean. I always steal the treasure when they don't know what's hitting them, when they're looking the other way. When I see a 40% discount, I know that's lit without even thinking. When do you tell me in the chat, have you ever seen a 40% crypto discount on anything ever? Who would ever offer you a 40% discount on their crypto for any reason? It doesn't happen. And there it goes. It's down to 37%. There is no more 40% discount. It lasted about 30 minutes. It lasted a half an hour, an hour. At 42% this morning. It's down to 37. That might have been it. And we got 1 minute. Anything critical. VXX is gonna. We're already watching it. I'm expecting it to close red and be stupid. It shouldn't, but it likes to play mind games. After a nice green opening, very healthy this morning, going all the way up over 20 and then fake out close. But it is what it is. Trust the chart, not the color. Not the color of the candle bar close. These other ones holding up very well. There's nothing too crucial there. I like how all those ones are sitting right now. We're out of time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Congratulations. You didn't fall overboard. That's worth commendation. You deserve some credit for that one. Pat yourself on the back. You didn't follow her. Survived another day. I stayed calm on Ticket. We needed our pirate friends to go pillage some more met, and it's all good. It had to be done. It just had to be done. The met and buying song came on. You know the rest of the story. We're just gonna like closing straight up the end of the day. Lots of buying pressure, revealing its true colors. That might be it. We'll see. There goes the 40% discount. It was fun while it lasted. He enjoyed that 40% discount on Litecoin this morning while it lasted. But it's gone already. S&P closing red even though it had a big bounce in the end of the afternoon. So what that means to me, how I'm analyzing that value, well, look at it right on our resistance. That's what we're expecting. Man, some savage stuff. So, yeah. We're giving this one the bear claw. That's so bearish. Just do this. And there you go. Beautiful. Let the fun begin. That's the market summary. These are overvalued. S&P represents overvalued. The high risk, high reward China stocks aren't necessarily a part of this. They're not being reflected by this. It is very, very bad for S&P stocks like Tesla. Basically anything that went on a bull run for the last 2 years straight's in trouble right now. Get it, bears. Get that extra treasure. Closing red on the day even with that pathetic bounce. I'll leave it to Etsy to be right on track. These ones, all these ones that went up for 2 years straight, they're screwed. Whole day Mexican girl. I would never go long on those, that's why we're bearish on it. Some people made 10x on their Etsy puts this morning. That was amazing. Some people are up 1,000% already on Etsy puts. You thought I was joking about all in YOLO Etsy put. I was only half joking. Honestly, that's the word of the day. I'm starting to feel even better about our bottomed out charts. There's really, I can't imagine it going much smoother than this in the current state and time with the current market climate. I don't think it could go much smoother than this. It's about as smooth as it could possibly be while we're sailing the 7 seas, the rough oceans, the choppy waters. Take calm, hold strong, my friends. We got the maps right here. X marks the spot, but it's a long journey. Let's enjoy the ride. We feel good about our answer. We got the fucking shit. Don't let them get it from your diamond hands. Thanks so much. All the kind words and support. We're gonna take a quick intermission, refresh my break. I'm gonna dive into crypto. Crypto crunch. That's the market summary. Overvalued stocks are screwed. All-time low FOMO entries, hot bevies, looking better and better. Irresistible even. They were already lit last week, last month. It just gets me excited. I mean, fuck. Freddy today in the chat, he got his very first entry on Grayscale Litecoin this morning at like 650. His cost average is at 650. He's already up 10%. His hot bevies are lit. Stick to the plan. Take that Diamond Hands challenge. I'll see you in 7 months, Grayscale Litecoin. Let's see where we're gonna be in 7 months. Unknown, uncharted waters. One step at a time. Probably a lot fucking bigger than where it is right now. So I know. Bitcoin holding up, savage bounce. Whoa, look at it go. Here we fucking go. Are you kidding? Holy shit. Holy shit, here we go. I just had to wait for the end of the day. All those profits people took on their overvalued stocks, they got put somewhere. They're looking at crypto. All eyes on Bitcoin. Woo. I couldn't be going any better right now on crypto. I'm impressed. That's a big deal. We'll be right back. About to crush 42. That's like a $3,000 breakout on Bitcoin this morning. From 39 to 42. Okay, great. That was awesome. All day. That was a great day. I very much like where it was going. Very pleased with the market action today. I'll be live long enough to cover everything important for 30-45 more minutes. So much developments on crypto today. Holy cow. Well, it almost hit 42 there. It's like 41,999. What a bounce on Bitcoin. From straight down this morning to straight up this afternoon. We can check after hours too. It is important because look how fast Steam's going. Oh man, Steam's not playing around anymore. I'm not undervalued 40 cents. Damn, if only we caught Steam in August or back here in June even. That would have been nice. See, we've been missing stuff all year in crypto and altcoins. Too much focus on short squeeze, not enough on real moving charts. Hey Kelly, my pleasure. Thank you for going to battle with the captain. Captain's only as strong as his crew. Yeah, a lot of people have been wanting to get in Steam but don't know how. I don't know where. Well, it's not on the mainstream exchanges. First we gotta laugh at what's trending. Pape! I'll win Pape. Buns Cake still around. Buns Cake's been mooning. That was up a lot on Friday. Alright. Over the weekend we were laughing about Buns Cake. It's up another 10x. Altcoins are ripping some of but it's hard to get them at the right time, so we want to make sure we're getting our value entries on stuff like Buns Cake, not FOMOing in after it goes 10x. Steam, oh, right in the top 300. That's pretty low. I like that. That's why the targets are huge. Whoa, whoa! Look at that volume pump on Steam. Holy shit! The volume's up to 1000%, 10x. How's that, volume traders? Talking about volume all the time, obsessed with volume. I was fucking 10x in the last 24 hours on Steam. Now, you see why it's important right now, why it's critical moment on our altcoin, why we gotta be brave enough, face that danger, bullish, even though they might be red over the weekend, whatever. Look at all the volume, holy cow. Where can you get it? Not on the mainstream ones. That's probably why it hasn't gone that big yet. It's hard to get. I see that a lot. They're super exciting projects, but they don't go up as fast, as soon, as early as things like Ethereum, because Ethereum's on every exchange ever. Ethereum's even on Asia Broadband Exchange. Asia Broadband Exchange, pretty cool. This just launched 2 weeks ago. Pretty slick interface, but apparently all they have is Bitcoin and Ethereum right now. Just a start. So Ethereum's even on Asia Broadband everywhere. That's why Ethereum went on a huge run last year alongside Bitcoin. Because it's easily available. No one knows how to get Steam, so it's harder to get entries on it, so it takes longer for money to work its way into it. It's on Binance Global for the global audience. Bittrex. These are more global exchanges. Alright, so these are ones that I know have been around for a long time. Huobi's, Poloniex, Binance, Bittrex, Coinex, Hit BTC. Besides those ones, those are the only ones that I know somewhat stable. Haven't had major controversies. Some of them might not allow you if you're in this state, so you kind of have to shop around. Yeah, Stock Wizard, since I mentioned Asia Broadband. Yeah, 15-cent spot's nice. Holding steady, 15. Start to bounce. It's in a long-term uptrend, especially with that news that the exchange launched. I can only see good things happen. When they start listing more altcoins, say in 2 months they list like 5 more altcoins, they put Litecoin on there, chainlink, whatever, then there will be more articles about it, there will be news about it. People will be talking about Asia Broadband Exchange more and more. That's the kind of stuff we gotta wait for. No one even knows about that exchange yet. Thomas, I'm accumulating some of these altcoins. I was about to make some entries on Steam. I was thinking about it later this week at 40-cent level down here, but now it's already blasted off. That's why this can't wait. I gotta help y'all realize that these are on fire right now. Steam's up 45% overnight because it was undervalued. My recent accumulations are in Grayscale Litecoin. It depends where they are when I have dry powder ready to go. I was considering Steam as one of my next accumulations, but the higher up it goes, if it's over 50 cents, I don't really like it as much. I try and catch them right at the bottom, the perfect support level like that, if possible. Quick reminder about Steam targets. Boom. 25x. $10 targets at 45 cents, 28. From 50 cents to $10, that's basically the Steam trade. I only wish we spotted it sooner. I've known about it for many years. It's just not hype right now. No one's really talking about it anymore. Everyone forgot about it. Here's the website on the blockchain. Social media on the blockchain. So apparently it's still being used quite a bit overseas. not so much English speakers. It's not as popular with English speakers right now. But in 2017, it absolutely was. There were lots of big crypto YouTubers posting about Bitcoin on Steam. So what if this just comes back with a vengeance and everyone's talking about, oh, this cool social media on the blockchain? It has that potential. Its active use case is a currently functional blockchain. Just not hype in America right now. But what if it comes back and people start talking about more and more, send it 20x? Maybe it doesn't even need to if it's just growing over in other countries besides America. It's just that the states have the most crypto pressure, let's say. But those are cool things that get me excited about these particular projects that have been around. The website has been around for years and years. Maybe they'll come back, get all popular again. So it's booming. People are buying the dips, apparently bouncing 50% overnight. Chainlink's just in a long-term bull run here. I don't know if it even will go back down under 20 ever again. Some of these things are just gonna go and go and go. That's its own cycle. Vechain similar to that. However, we have solid entries right here, right now. So there's a different variety on all these coins. There's different cycles, and I want to point that out. So the key is getting your good entries on it, getting your golden entries. Why is this a good entry on vechain? Because vechain was 30 cents earlier last year. In April 2021, already crashed 80% 2021. So essentially getting 80% discount on vechain from 2021. I still have giant long-term targets. Long-term bull run as well, but it's a nicer entry, a nicer dip right there than chainlink. So they all have their own flavor like that, and then Dypto is just a giant magic triangle. It's gonna be slightly different on the log and linear. You might need to make some adjustments on your charts, whatever. It's just this rough area. It's not perfect. There we go. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it is perfect. But it is. So that's your entries on the long-term support. We get a breakout from there. I mean, fuck. Even VThor was what, 3 cents? 3 cents, right? VThor 80% hot baby, 85% discount. That's how you know you're getting good entries on there on VThor. You feel good about that no matter what S&P or Bitcoin does. Avoid this. Just like our stock market. Fuck that. That's way overvalued. It went up way too far, way too fast. It doesn't matter what the rest of the crypto does. This thing's overvalued. Working its way back down. You don't enter stuff like that up there. Even on the altcoin. So when I'm saying like altcoins are very bullish, I'm not talking about sand. I'm not talking about these ones. There's essentially what I would call blue chip cryptos nowadays. Not this one, but I'll show you what I mean. Because I actually want people to learn and understand. Did you know Grayscale has a large cap fund? Not only do they have Litecoin and Stellar Lumen and Solana, they have a large cap crypto fund. I forget what's even in it, but it's like Ethereum and Cardano. See if I can find it real quick. I'm not gonna waste my time looking for it. I can give you an idea what's in there. Bitcoin, which there are a lot of bears on right now. There's lots of crypto traders thinking Bitcoin's about to crash. That bounce saved it today. It needed that bounce at 39. That was everything. 39 was the number, and we got a bounce off it. It's holding. But Bitcoin's in the large cap fund. So Bitcoin doesn't have as big targets as some of our altcoins. Well, also like Cardano's in there. Cardano, we hit our target at $3. I'm happy to say some of that crypto crew took profits at $3 on Cardano. That was perfect. It's already at dollars. But that's in the large cap grayscale fund. These are essentially your blue chips: Bitcoin, Cardano, Ethereum. I don't like where Ethereum's at either. Maybe you went a bit too far too fast there, guys. I need to cool off a bit for the rest of the year to hit bigger targets on ETH. Yeah, it is a nice short on sand. It absolutely is. Yeah, so I want to be clear that there are bearish altcoins. Binance has been getting smoked from 600 to that 425. Here's our old Binance shirt. So there you go. I would go long on Binance down here. Not up here. Fuck that. Yeah, dig. Let's get a hot baby on it first. Then I like Binance, then I like Cardano, Sand, Uniswap. Shiba is just as bad. I'm biased. I'm open-minded to it. I don't care that personally I feel like it's a pump and dump and it's kind of useless. I don't care if it's tradable, if there's money to be made on the chart. I don't care at all. Problem is we got in down here and already went 10x. So that's not a very fun area to be trading Shiba right here. Be patient, maybe you get a good entry and it really pays off. All I'm seeing is downtrend still. So those are things to avoid. Just like the S&P, you have overvalued altcoins and you have undervalued altcoins. Steam's looking undervalued considering it's crushing it today. Yeah, good question, Jeff. Entry levels on Cardano, where would we like to enter it? Man, I don't like anything over $1 at all. This isn't the full history of the chart. If you're just seeing this, That's just last year. Let me show you a real chart on it. Here's why Cardano is probably not a good choice right now. I hope that's clear. I mean, you're smart. You see that chart. It's ugly. It's breaking down. No point to enter it right there. So where would we like to get it? Under 50 cents. If it goes from $1, crashes 50% more down to under 50 cents, it's getting better. I like it more under 50 cents. All the way down there. That's where we want to steal Cardano. Talk about a steal. Fuck Cardano at $3. Let the coconuts have it. Let the moon boys have it. They're gonna crash on the moon up there. They already did. They don't even know it hit them yet because it's only halfway. And then we can steal it all down there after the paper is full, alright? That's the kind of steal I'm talking about. That's how it'd be a crypto pirate. You got your experience points. You leveled up being a stock pirate. Now you gotta learn how to be a crypto pirate. You don't fuck with a Cardano until it goes down there. And you better believe it can happen. If you think that can't happen, then that's just asking for trouble. So, could start accumulating Cardano like under 50 cents. 20 cents, more like it. Did people get rich off Cardano already? Yes, they did. So are you going to? No, you're not. Not unless you get an entry down there. You're about 2 years late on that fucking thing. So I won't be mad if we get some crypto crashes going on, some crypto dippage, whatever. The lower they go, the more excited I get about it. I don't want to buy Cardano at $1. No way. But if it goes down there, I'll get excited about it because I know it has long-term potential. So the lower we can catch them, the better. Those ones are ugly. They're not even worth touching. That's not even worth starting to accumulate right here. It's got so far to go by the looks of it. At least that's the danger here. It's potentially about to drop way lower, so you would just wait till it does and enter down here next month. Grayscale Litecoin was way different because it was already at the all-time low, so there was no bottom. We didn't know how low it was going to go exactly. We still don't. It's uncertain. This one you can see right here, it's in trouble. Still has a long way to go. That looks of it, so I wouldn't touch those ones. Not at all. You're gonna swap. The ones that have been holding up, bouncing, those are the ones that had the 80% crash in August, whatever. These are the ones that are way more bottomed out. They're all in the members update video from the weekend. Check. There's a few things I check. Discord. Make sure you watch the weekend update video. I put out so much content last week. Weekend update video from Sunday. Make sure you do watch that. Very important right now. check the official chart section. I just posted 3 solid crypto charts: VThor, Dash, and ICP. Brand new charts out there from last night. Options in our options training course. But please do make sure you watch all those this week as soon as possible if you're in the group. It's very important right now. It's kind of the foundational groundwork knowledge for what's going on. Let's take a peek at after hours. If anything's moving on the stocks yet. Just various buying pressure. Nothing's huge, Matt. There could be some bigger moves pre-market tomorrow. If you're a pre-market trader. But yeah, in the weekend update video, I at least talked a lot about the concept too. Why these are good ideas. Okay, so I do think it's only appropriate to wrap things up with a grayscale Litecoin quick summary there, because that was pretty critical today. That's what Bitcoin's doing right now. So let's lay it out there. I keep saying the stars are aligned for grayscale Litecoin. What the heck does that even mean? What stars are aligned? Bitcoin overall, we have a breakout retest support, becoming support, it's holding support. That's the key. The green trend line is currently support. So breakout, retest, and then the third step, success, continuation. So we might be going right into this continuation all-time high here. Completely still maintaining bullish on it overall above this green trend line. Only bearish if it gets stuck under that green line. Otherwise we might clear bear force finally. So with Bitcoin doing that, the altcoins are looking real hot. We're holding at least the nice general support area on our crypto total market cap. How about the altcoins? Holding over 1 trillion. Ignore that giant arrow down. So altcoins also maintaining. How about the dominance? It's been going up in the short term, but it hasn't been affecting our coins much. That makes sense because Ethereum's getting in trouble, etc. Okay, so ignore that one. But Bitcoin's bullish right now, altcoins are bullish right now, the undervalued ones. So those are 2 stars lined up. Okay, also Litecoin's holding the long-term support, Litecoin's giant magic triangle. Here's the price of Grayscale down today, down at $75 or $77. So what does that mean? We got our entry, that's the price we're paying on Grayscale for Litecoin down in the hot bevy, so we got a hot bevy on it. Why do we have a hot bevy on it? Because we were up, it's getting smaller. We're up to a 40%, 42% discount even today at some point. That's more than just being a hot bevy. That discount counts as two things. We got the hot bevy on our value entries, but it's also a bullish fundamental because other traders, other institutional investors see that, and then they might enter because of that. So that's another reason, is that other traders are attracted to that discount. Hey Ali, if you come back first thing in the morning, I'm more than happy to. We're wrapping things up. Thanks for the suggestion though. So we got 5 stars aligned. I'm trying to really seal the deal here. Let's get at least 7. Okay, 2 more. How about Grayscale Stellar Lumens popped up 20% today at one point. Other Grayscale products have shown massive premium increases. We've seen Grayscale Stellar Lumens go from 0% premium to 100%. I traded it. I doubled a small trade on it. I doubled my money on that, put it back into Grayscale Litecoin. But Grayscale Stellar Lumens, we've seen the premium pump before. Okay, and then let's call it 7 with the facts. Going to the actual price. I want to make 8 actually. 2 more. 7. Fuck all the technicals on the chart. Let's just include all of the long-term support line, the under $10 value entry down to the stop point, whatever. Let's include all that for number 7. And then just to top it off, number 8, our giant targets. our giant technical targets on the chart where it's actually a real possibility and it's not just speculating targets out of thin air. Heck yeah. Thanks again for all the kind words and support today. That was awesome. I love the attitude y'all got. We're in this together. We're in it to win it. We're going for that gold. There's only one way to go from here. Up. Happy trading. Have an awesome day. And take care. It's nothing we haven't seen before.
So you need a little breakup, say you need a little space, yeah, is it cause you can't be faithful, hope she's cool, I'm like,
we got that treasure. Let's get back to town. We're about to go offload some cargo.
Keeping me in town when you're too. I can't help but feel some pathetic, I do. You think you're bad boy, but I feel bad for you. Think you're bad boy, think you're bad boy, think you're bad, but I feel bad for you. I'm not even mad, I'm not even mad, I'm not mad, I just feel bad for you. I was pretty when I met ya.